everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to save money on Amazon purchases. Now the simplest way to do this is to check for coupons. You can look for and clip digital coupons directly on product pages before adding items to your cart. Amazon also has a dedicated coupons page you can browse. The next step you can take is to use price tracking tools. You can employ free tools like Camel or Kepa to monitor price history and set up alerts for price drops on items you want. You can also consider Amazon credit cards. If you're a frequent Amazon shopper, using an Amazon credit card can earn you cashback up to 5% for Prime members. You can also exploit today's deals. Regularly check Amazon's today's deals or deal of the day and lightning deals section for limited time discounts. You can also subscribe and save for essentials. If you buy certain items regularly, subscribe to them for automated deliveries and a discount, usually 5 to 15%, will be applied. So you can also look for free shipping. For non-Prime members, ensure your order meets the minimum threshold for free shipping or consider bundling items. Lastly, you can check Amazon outlets and WOTs. These Amazon-owned sites offer discounted, overstock, and daily deals on various products. Hope you found this video helpful.